Did you know there are over 8.7 million species on Earth, but almost none can successfully mate across species lines? Why can't a cat and a dog have puppies, or a horse and a cow have a calf? Welcome to Creatures of Planet Earth, where today we break down why animals mating across species almost never works, and what's happening under the hood of biology to stop it. Number 1, the genetic roadblock. Let's start with genetics, the first big wall. Every species has a unique set of chromosomes. Dogs have 78, cats have 38, humans have 46. For mating to succeed, chromosomes from both parents must pair up correctly during fertilization. But when two species have different numbers, arrangements, or gene sequences, their genetic instructions clash. Example? Even though a dog and a cat might live in the same house, their genetic blueprints are so mismatched, fertilization is impossible. Next, let's look at prezygotic barriers, the biological systems that block fertilization even before it happens. Ecological isolation. Lions and tigers rarely meet in the wild because they live in different habitats. Temporal isolation. Two frog species may live side by side but breed in different seasons. No overlap, no hybrids. Behavioral isolation. Male birds often use species-specific songs or dances. A cardinal's courtship won't impress a blue jay. Mechanical isolation. Think of dragonflies. Even if they try to mate, their reproductive organs physically don't align. Game-tick isolation. Coral species might release eggs and sperm into the ocean, but only sperm of the same species can chemically bind to the eggs. These barriers are like nature's security system, making sure only compatible pairs get through. But what if mating does happen? Enter post-zygotic barriers, problems after fertilization. Reduced hybrid viability. Sheep and goats can sometimes fertilize each other's eggs in a lab, but the embryos usually die early. Reduced hybrid fertility. The classic example here is the mule, a cross between a horse and a donkey. Mules survive and thrive, but they're sterile. Hybrid breakdown. In some insects, first hybrid generation is fertile, but their offspring are weak or infertile, leading to collapse by the second or third generation. The bigger picture, reproductive isolation. So, why all these barriers? It's called reproductive isolation, and it's critical for keeping species distinct. Over time, natural selection sharpens these barriers to prevent gene flow between populations. This protects species from wasting energy on failed matings and preserves adaptations that help them survive in their unique environments. Now, here's the twist. While most cross-species matings fail, rare exceptions exist. For example, ligers, lion plus tiger, and pizzly bears, polar bear plus grizzly, can exist because their parent species are genetically similar and not fully isolated. But even these hybrids face challenges, like health issues or reduced fertility, showing that even when nature bends the rules, it doesn't break them easily. And on the molecular level, fertilization is incredibly selective. Specific proteins on sperm and eggs must match perfectly, like a biochemical lock and key. That's why even if species look similar on the outside, they often hit a molecular dead end inside. So, the next time you hear someone joke about dogs and cats making puppies, you'll know the deep genetic, anatomical, and evolutionary forces working overtime to keep species apart. Which barrier or example surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring the mysteries of life on Earth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science-packed stories here on Creatures of Planet Earth. I send love and light your way.